Hi everybody, I'm Tim and I'm down in Special Projects at the moment. So I'm with Simon Maxted, who's the Senior Projects Technician here. And Simon, it's a pleasure to meet you. And this is something the public don't really see much of.
No, very hush hush. Obviously there's a lot of secrecy in some of the stuff that we do. Yeah. Also, just people want to keep it under wraps purely for their own enjoyment. They've got a nice car built.
You're good at secrets, you know, XSAS, special projects, but you do some really interesting stuff here, don't you?
Yeah, it's good. We get to basically do a lot of stuff that people don't.
Yeah.
We tend to go the extra mile. Yeah. If we can fit that in, we'll do just that. And try and suggest to some of the customers how we're going to make the cars look 100% with it on.
Do customers come here with really specific requests, or are they quite open book about how to restore the car?
It can vary. Some of the customers are pretty much open to suggestions in what we recommend. Some of the customers just purely know exactly what they want and how to do it.
What sort of models are you working on?
Primarily air-cooled. In this department we obviously have the 2.4, 964, 3.2 SSE. Some of the one-off builds that are mostly backdate. So a lot of recent projects have been go back to backdate.
And do the projects tend to be taking cars back to original, or are they special builds with people's own individual requirements?
Can vary again. Each car has their own customer touch. Yeah. I think that's a quite important thing to have. Some people do want it to go back to factory, as it originally intended to hit the road, yeah. And we'll do just that. Rather than keep the modifications on the car, we'll put it back to how it was.
Do you like working on your own, to your own agenda, your own brief?
Yeah, there's a certain aspect of a sort of poetic license to a certain degree. I still have to ask to senior management how the customers specifically want it done. He does the more communication side of it, and we'll have them down and do a personal visit. That's good.
What's the favourite part of your job?
Being able to construct one once we've got all the prep work done. Yeah. As you can see, there's an awful lot of effort that goes into the preparation of the parts alone, as well as all the organisation of the third parties that get involved, whether it be trimming, whether it be different bodywork, whether it be different wheel suspension, etc. So we obviously then have to tie all these knots together.
So what's a typical day involved for you, Simon?
Typical day involve
breakfast,
morning
tea,
morning
lunch,
tea.
Afternoon tea.
Well, as you can see, it's pretty quiet in here, so it's mainly concentrating on how we're going to progress the jobs in each way. We obviously do multiple jobs at any one time, so there's never a quiet period in here. So we'd obviously prepare some of the parts for some of the jobs coming in, some of the jobs are already undergoing, and if we have all the new parts turn out to try and organise which parts and anything missing. So there's a lot of organisation.
So you can do absolutely everything here, from a bare shell, strip down and rebuild?
Yep, pretty much. We can't do it all in this room. Obviously we do have third parties that we use, but they still need to organise. Whether it be from the colours the customer choosing his colour, so how he wants it, what sort of finish he wants, how sort of graded the job will be. Yeah. So yeah, it's good.
Good. And I see you've got a bump on your head.
Yeah.
You know, I've got a tenner here if you want to get down to Specsavers for an eye test.
This is what you get when you fit bits when you're too keen.
Yeah.
Fit them where they need to go on, as a tip.
Thanks, Simon. Pleasure meeting you.
Thanks.